Hey guys, it's me again, Professor T, and the topic that I want to discuss today is the importance of starting a small business. So when I was going over this topic, I wanted to be very candid and make sure that I'm revealing things to you that is benefit. Because I can start all day with statistics and be like, oh, 99% of the employment ratio is guided by small businesses, which it is, and that we play such a high contribution into everything that gets done. But I also want to go into a little specifics that's locally homegrown. We provide employment. That's one of the biggest things. If we're starting small businesses in our community, we're employing people in our community. So that makes us have a visual connotation in our community. We also contribute to the local government by paying our taxes. Taxes is what it is, and if we're paying our taxes, at least we're seeing change in our area. We create jobs for others, and good job creation is awesome because with that, we're providing opportunities for people like women, minorities, and we're achieving success and independence. The success comes from employing others, and the success comes from making sure that our businesses flourish, which is very important. And in the workforce now, we're having diversity in business opportunities, and that's very important. You know, that diversity goes a long way. We're seeing different people of different groups and backgrounds start businesses, and that's what I'm here to support. We also share a community identity. That community identity, we live in these communities, we build in our communities, and we can see the communities grow. And this only happens when a small business invests and decides to stay where that is. And that money that we make is kept in the community. So I hope you took some of this away that really got your mind thinking, I need to start a business, and how it will affect our communities and the small business industry. So whatever you do, think along that process, and once you make that commitment, join me on the startup journey. All right, guys, Professor approved.